Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use fragments in Last Sea Survival Shooter. In Last Sea Survival Shooter, fragments are essential for promoting and starring up heroes, making them stronger and more effective. You can collect hero fragments through challenges, events, hero trios, alliance missions, specially shop promos, and even recruitment draws. Once you have enough, simply go to the hero you want to enhance, tap on their skill or star up option, apply the fragments. Universal fragments can be used on any hero of the same rarity, while specific hero fragments only apply to that character. Each upgrade increases power, but also requires more fragments as you progress. With the right strategy, using fragments ensures your heroes reach their maximum potential and give you the edge in the battles. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.